Noon, hindi ko pinapansin yung engine braking. Why? Because the rear brake does the same thing of slowing down the rear wheel. Little did I know that there's more to engine braking than just slowing down your bike. And it's kinda useful. Would you like to find out? Stay tuned. My main brake is the front brake. Now if I want maximum stopping power, I use both front and rear brakes. So when do I use engine braking? If I want to slow down and then be in the correct gear so I can accelerate again, I use engine braking. To illustrate, let's accelerate first. Engine brake, engine brake. Now if we want to accelerate, we are already in the correct gear. Accelerate. Now we'll slow down. Engine brake. Engine brake. If you want to accelerate, just throttle out. When you use engine braking, you already are in the correct gear for reacceleration. So there, engine braking prepares the bike to accelerate again without guessing or second guessing if you are in the correct gear. But please note that if all I want to do is stop immediately, my go-to solution is still the front brake. Remember, engine braking is a process. That means you'll need to do a couple of things for it to happen, unlike just applying the brake, which is simpler and faster. 2 questions before I leave you. Do I do it all the time? Of course not. When I'm riding slow in smaller roads, I just brake. When I'm riding fast in larger roads, I engine brake. Question 2, will it wreck my engine? Well, I'm not a mechanic, but some say it will. Some say it won't. To those who say it won't, they say that engine braking is just the reverse of acceleration. So if your engine can handle acceleration, it can also handle the stress of engine braking or deceleration. And again, if you find this video helpful and or enjoyed watching it, please like it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel to help me in creating helpful videos like this for you. Ride safe and God bless. Nakalaro ka din ba nito noon? Share your experience in the comment section below.